the same song every night. My lights up beside us should be. Thoughts we could say like miles to a neon boat. Counting the seconds but they won't count me. Can't fall awake in the white noise. Tangled in reasons that won't let go. Heartbeat like a metronome for my restless voice. I wear the dark like it's something I know. To-do list turn into constellations. Ideas bloom and scatter at dawn. I try to pin the quiet down with wishes, but sleep slips where the edges are torn. Can't fall awake in the white noise. Tangled in reasons that won't let go. Heartbeat like a metronome for my restless voice. I wear the dark like it's something I know. Soft and I promise repair. Small mercies found in coffee and air. Tonight I'll meet the moon halfway again. Learning to be gentle where I began. Can't fall awake in the white noise. Tangled in reasons that won't let go. Heartbeat like a metronome for my restless voice. I wear the dark like it's something